video, we are going to discuss the topic electrorefining from the chapter electrolysis for class 10th. Electrorefining means refining the impure metals by using the electrolysis process. Here we are having the impure copper. We have to extract copper from this impure copper. Therefore, we are using this impure copper in the electrolysis process as anode. Because we have to extract this copper from this impure rod, we will be using pure rod as the cathode. Since we have to perform an electrolysis, we have to take a electrolyte that will be of copper sulfate solution. The process here in the electrolysis will use a theory which is known as nature of anode. Since we have studied in our previous videos how nature of anode takes place, how the reactions takes place while we are using this nature of anode, and the thing which happens is the anode, it forms the ions, and those ions are deposited on cathode and they change themselves as the neutral atoms. Here, since we are using impure copper as the anode, when the electrolysis will be started, the copper sulfate solution, it will dissociate to form copper 2 positive ion and sulfate 2 negative ions. It is also having water in it. Therefore, water will be also dissociated into H positive and OH negative ions. And we know that since nature of anode is be used, therefore the copper atom in the impure copper rod, those copper atoms will lose 2 electrons and they will form copper ions. The copper ions, they will migrate towards cathode and they will gain 2 electrons and they will be changed into neutral copper atom again, and this neutral copper atom will be deposited on the pure copper rod. This process will continue and all the copper atoms in the impure rod will be converted into copper 2 positive ions, and they all ions will be migrating towards cathode, and on gaining the electrons they will be converted into copper neutral atom. All the impurity that is present in this impure rod, that will fall below this anode rod and it will be named as anode mud. And all the copper atoms will be converted into copper ions at anode and they will migrate towards the cathode. And from this impure rod we can extract all the copper atoms present and that will be deposited on the cathode. Hence we have refined the impure copper rod and we have extracted pure copper and that has been deposited on the cathode rod. This helps in the electro refining of the impure copper rod. That's all in this video.